The Cobra Technique, often found in yoga as Bhujangasana, is a brilliant example of a postural exercise that builds strength and flexibility simultaneously. Think of it as the ultimate antidote to the modern-day slouch. When we sit for hours, our chest muscles become tight and our upper back muscles, specifically the erector spinae and multifidus, become weak and overstretched. The Cobra Technique directly addresses this imbalance. It powerfully contracts and strengthens these crucial back muscles while gently stretching the front of your body, your chest, shoulders, and abdominals, reversing the hunched-over posture. But here's the twist. It's not about how high you can lift yourself. That's a common mistake. The real magic happens when you focus on engaging your back muscles to initiate the lift, rather than pushing up with your arms. Your hands are just there for support, not propulsion. This subtle shift in focus is the difference between a superficial stretch and a deep, muscle-building exercise. The journey to mastering the Cobra Technique begins with a controlled, intentional movement. Lie face down on a mat with your legs extended and the tops of your feet on the floor. Place your hands flat on the mat directly under your shoulders, fingers pointing forward. Now, here's the first key insight. Squeeze your glutes and engage your core as if you're pulling your belly button away from the floor. This stabilizes your lower back and protects it from strain. Next, with your chin tucked slightly, imagine a string pulling the crown of your head forward. Instead of pushing up immediately, use the muscles in your upper and middle back to lift your chest off the floor. It's a small, controlled lift. Your goal is to feel the muscles along your spine doing the work. This is the payoff we talked about. You'll feel an incredible, deep activation that many people have never experienced. The beauty of this is that you don't need to lift very high to get a profound benefit. In fact, a small, controlled lift is often more effective than a large, uncontrolled one. Now, let's talk about the science behind why this works so well. Your erector spinae muscles are a group of muscles that run along your spine, responsible for extending the back. The Cobra Technique is one of the best ways to isolate and strengthen them. Furthermore, it engages the multifidus, a series of small, deep muscles that provide stability to each vertebra. By strengthening these, you're building a solid foundation for your spine, which is paramount for preventing injuries and managing pain. For many people, chronic back pain isn't due to a single traumatic event but a gradual weakening of these deep, supportive muscles. The Cobra Technique directly counteracts this, building strength where it matters most. As you hold the position, even for just a few seconds, you're creating a powerful isometric contraction in these muscles, which is incredibly effective for building endurance and strength. A common pitfall is overextending the neck or pushing with the arms too much, which puts unnecessary stress on the shoulders and lower back. The twist is to reframe your mindset. This is not an arm workout, it is a back workout. Imagine you're trying to pull your chest forward and through your arms, rather than pushing your body away from the floor. The payoff for this careful, mindful approach is a dramatic reduction in strain and a significant increase in the targeted muscle activation. Another important aspect is your breathing. Inhale as you lift, and exhale as you hold the position. This not only helps with stability but also links your movement to your breath, a core principle of many mind-body practices. The benefits extend beyond just muscle strength. The gentle arching of the spine in the Cobra Technique promotes spinal mobility, helping to lubricate the vertebral joints and keep them healthy. It also serves as a great stress reliever. The slow, controlled movement and focus on breath can calm the nervous system, reducing tension often stored in the back and shoulders. Think of it as an active form of meditation for your spine. The consistent practice of this exercise can also improve your overall posture, leading to a more upright and confident stance. A strong back supports a strong you, both physically and psychologically. Ready to feel the difference for yourself? Don't just watch. Get down on the floor and try it right now. Start with just a few repetitions, focusing on form over height. Commit to practicing this technique daily, and watch as your back transforms from a source of pain into a pillar of strength.